Hey guys, welcome back. Lance of Phoenix Customs. I'm in the shop, I guess. I don't know if y'all have ever seen my garage. That's where the spouse parks her lovely car. I'm not allowed to park in the garage. Half of my garage is taken up with this shop. Luckily it's air conditioned, has its own little door, fully enclosed. It was my skateboard shop where I built skateboards, and now it's just kind of a, when I want to work on stuff, our storage shop. This is what we use. Today I am working on the lovely G35 again. Everything is working fine, everything is running fine. It's just the front seat, driver's seat, is a little, as you can see, a little messed up. Not bad on the back. Got a couple rips and holes here and there, but the bottom part down here is pretty ate up. So I bought some, let's see if I can put this somewhere where you can get a good view of it. The lighting in here is so horrible. I have to have a lamp. But I bought some seat replacements. It's just the parts that go on. I mean, you take off the old one. I'll remove this part, some clips and stuff that are underneath, and some bolts. Take this off and I can put the new one on here. But I wanted to try something first. Lance went out and bought a steam cleaner. I don't have a steamer. I was gonna, because when I got these, there's only 3 colors that my car interior could be. The Infiniti 07 Infiniti G35 Journey Sedan came in 3 colors on the interior: black, gray, and tan, or beige. Well, I bought, hope this comes out well in the video, beige, because that's what my car code says. You hold it up next to the seats, and it's not even remotely similar. So I'm like, wait a minute, what's the problem? How did I mess this up so awfully bad? And what I did is, what did I do with my, had a rag in my hand a minute ago. Losing my mind now. It's one of those days. You can't find anything. I just had a rag in my hand. Anyway, I got some Simple Green. I got some degreaser. And I started cleaning the back. This is before. See the line right there? This is after. Same thing up here. It's night and day. So then, take this out of the way. I cleaned right here, and you can see the difference between that little spot that I cleaned and everywhere else. So I'm going to try and clean up this whole thing with a steamer and with Simple Green and a boar brush and my steamer, and see what kind of difference I can make. But yeah, let me get this steamer up and running, and I'll show you what goes on next. Okay. Let's see what this does. That's incredible. Water everywhere, but and I know I'm supposed to use microfiber cloth, blah 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 blah. Not everybody has $1 million for those things, so I just use whatever I can find to dry this off. I guess I could use a clean cloth, but that's incredible. And this up here is just this part right here, and you can see where it bled over into that a little bit. I mean, these seats have never ever been cleaned, so I'm not even going to worry about cleaning this. I'm going to worry about laying it down. I'm going to clean. Whoa! Oh, the steam. Ooh, steam hose brushed up against my leg. I thought something burned me. Water everywhere. Yeah, I didn't realize it was gonna be so messy, but so what? So, I'm gonna start working on cleaning this off. I'm gonna try and get a good angle for you. It probably won't be the best, but I'll do what I can. See you in a minute. Okay guys, this is incredible. I haven't taken the headrest off, but I cleaned the headrest, both the bolsters, even the middle Infiniti here. I cleaned some more of this. There was some baked on dirt over here that you can still see, but I got most of it off, even though this is coming off. Let's see now. They're not the exact same between the new stuff and the old, but it's a lot closer than it was. These things were grimy. I mean, I'll definitely be doing the other front seat. It'll be a while because these things are a little heavier than you would think. But I mean, look at this. The difference between what I cleaned right here and this is what the seat looks like without cleaning. And then you got the cleaning that I've done. Now, sooner or later, I'll probably put seat covers to protect, you know, what's left of the seats here, because these things weren't cheap. I'm trying to do this on a budget. However, I could find some nice tactical seat covers made for Infiniti. I wonder if these. Ta-da-da. Hopefully I won't drop you guys. Ta-da! I'll finish cleaning the headrest. As you can probably still see the difference night and day. And clean up here. That'll be done. Once I get it back installed in the car, I will let you see the final product. See you guys. Okay, welcome back guys. I've got the seat installed back in the car after being cleaned. I know you can't probably tell, I don't have a before and after, I don't think, but it's back in. Still needs to be replaced because it's all cut up, but it is so incredibly much cleaner. But now I've actually brought the steamer out here, magic eraser pad, degreaser, and I'm going to tackle some of the center console and see if that makes a difference in there. So I'll be right back. I hope you guys can see this. We're going to do this half. A little degreaser on the magic eraser. Wipe that off a little bit. See if that. Holy cow. I hope you guys can see that. At first it's not really a huge difference, but then like I said, right now I'm just using magic eraser. Takes a few seconds for the steamer to warm up. Well, not sure how this is coming out on the video. This is the half I did with degreaser and steam. And there's a definite line right there between the two. That's crazy. It's not as apparent and noticeable as the seats were, because the seats were absolutely horrible. Every time I turn around, I'm finding stuff like the cracks and stuff here in the dash over there. There's a seam that's pulling away. This whole dash needs to be replaced. I don't want to wind up duct taping it, but I'm going to finish up cleaning the rest of the console. I mean, the center armrest here. Nothing in here, but I'm gonna clean the rest of this center console. Then I'll be done, and I'll be, well, maybe this is kind of looking worn. Like, I wonder if that's just worn rubber. It's kind of tacky. What if the steamer will clean that? Anyway, I'll let you know if it cleans it, but that's gonna be it for today. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm getting this insured and registered tomorrow, and I will actually be out driving in town tomorrow for the weekend. Gotta get it some miles on it before I get it inspected, so the computer has time to reset. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please click on the subscribe button, and we'll talk to you next time. See you guys.